met a vet with a worn-out coat. They shared a sandwich and a Bible quote. Two strangers broke bread and broke their pride, and felt the Lord sit down beside. Sometimes blessings wear a broken face, sometimes mercy stands in disgrace. He lost his job, but not his name, the one God wrote in holy flame. He found grace in the unemployment line, where the soul gets stripped of worldly shine. He saw the truth in the hardest times, that peace don't need a $sign. He stood with tears